This is geometry dash Lite. The full version, I'm not paying $1.99. No thanks. Serial Madness. Okay. No. Just so you know, it's my first time downloading this, so I'm gonna be like a noob. Don't expect me to be good. Bruh. New. What? Oh, I gotta be good at this. Come on. What? I jumped. Oh. Ooh, come on. I'm being terrible while it's recording. Oh, that's my new best. Alright, time to be good. What the heck? Come on. I'm so stupid. Yes! Oh my gosh, I got my new best. Come on, that was so hard. Seriously? But I'm gonna reach harder levels. What the heck? New best! 14%! That is not even a lot! I'm so stupid. Okay. What the heck? I jumped at the wrong time. Oh my goodness, I'm such a noob. Oh my gosh, that's my new best. Oh. Well, oh my goodness gracious. Even the first one, why this is so hard. I don't think I think I'm cut off this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I got my new best. Let's go. Okay, I just need to pass that. What? Oh, that's my attempt 19. Okay. Hope I'm not gonna upset anyone. Oh, what the heck? It's attempt 20. Man, I suck at this. What the heck? But I literally... Maybe I'm not focusing. Bro. Oh! This is my first round and I'm like suck at this. Oh my gosh. Why am I recording? You're free to say I suck. Okay, I can't anymore. What the heck? Okay, I'm on practice mode. Alright, let's go. Come on. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. That's the best I ever won. That's the best I ever won. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't know how to do this. How do you do? What? Crap. Oh, I get it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! Shit. No! I'm gonna do back on track. My new best is 1%. Huh? Ugh! What the heck? Oh, I'm really frustrated right now. Oh, what is my problem? Why am I so terrible? Why even try? No, that is too hard. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna stick with Stereo Madness. Yeah, okay. Whoa, it lowered my attempt. Okay. I was so close! Whoa, that's the best I've ever went. Maybe the thing is that I have to stay focused or something. Oh! I can't. Problem. Oh my gosh, I'm terrible. New best! Let's go! Maybe I should get a how to Whoa, I just got my new best. Alright, last attempt and then I'm gonna end this video. So I'm just gonna say bye now. Alright, bye.